Good morning, students. Welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. The question is like this: the income of A and B. There are two persons A and B. So we'll put here A, here B. So these are the two persons A and B are in the ratio 3:2. Whenever the ratio is given, you put the same variable. So let 3x and 2x. This is income. Okay, this is income. A का income is 3x, B's income is 2x, and expenditure are in the ratio. Then expenditure are in the ratio 5:3. So expenditure. See, you put one variable, you put here one variable, you put. So expenditure का variable 5y and B का variable 3y. Okay, wherever you are removing any ratios, put the variable. You can put the x you cannot put because this is expenditure, this is income. Okay, if I'll tell you your mama has given you 10 rupees here, okay, you means your income is 10 rupees. Okay, you have spent 2 rupees, you bought something, cookies, biscuits and other thing, chocolates of 2 rupees. So this is the expenditure. Okay, this is the income. Okay, so how much saving do you have? Yeah, what is your saving? So saving, how will you get? Income minus expenditure. 10 minus 2 equal to 8 rupees you are saving. Similar way, what is the saving of A? 3x minus 5y. 3x minus 5y. So it becomes 3x minus 5y. And B ka, what is the saving? This is the saving. Saving is income minus expenditure. This is known as saving. 2x minus 3y. So if it saves rupees 2000, means this is equal to 2000. This is also equal to 2000 because each it is saying 2000. So one equation, this becomes one equation, this becomes second equations. So we will solve these equations. So then if we have to solve these equations, see, put the equation like this, okay, 2x minus 3y equal to 2000. Okay, see, if you have to solve these equations, you have to put the variable, same variable here, x ka variable, this is the coefficient of x, this is the coefficient of x. So either it should be either y ka coefficient, y's coefficient and x's coefficient should be equal. Either this one should be equal, or this one should be equal. Your choice. So how will you make it equal? If it is 3, if it is 2, you multiply the equation by 2. Okay, 2. You multiply this equation by 3. So you cannot multiply alone with this. You will have to multiply with the whole equation. So 2 can multiply with the whole equation, 3 can multiply with whole equations. So this is the distributive properties. It multiply here, here and here. This goes multiply here, here and here. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3x, 6x, 2 into 5y, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 4000. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 6000. If you solve it, this is minus, subtracting this equation by this equation, ये minus वाला becomes plus, plus वाला becomes minus. Whenever there is a sign, you just opposite the sign. Okay, opposite of this minus is negative is positive. Here no sign was there, so it is considered as positive. Positive becomes negative, positive becomes negative. Plus 6x minus 6x cancel. Minus 10y plus 9y, so minus 1y. Okay, 4000 minus 6000 minus 2000. Okay, minus say minus cancel, so y equal to 2000 upon 1 equal to 2000. So y ka value is 2000. If y ka value you got the 2000, what will be the x ka value? Put in any equation here, you put the value, y ka value is 2000, putting here. So 2x minus 3 into y ka value 2000 equal to 2000. So 3 to the 6000. 2x minus 6000 equal to 2000. minus का 6000 goes right hand side, it becomes positive. So 2000 plus 6000, it becomes plus. So 2x equal to 8000. तो x equal to 8000 upon 2 equal to 4000. So x का वैल्यू 4000, y का वैल्यू is 2000. y का वैल्यू and x का वैल्यू, you have got the y का वैल्यू and x का वैल्यू. So now what are their incomes? You have to find the incomes. So x का वैल्यू is 4000. तो 3 into 4000 equal to 12,000. A's income is 12,000 रुपए, 12,000 rupees. B's income is 2 into 4, 8,000 rupees. So this is the answer. 12,000 and 8,000 would be their income. If you have to find out the expenditure, put the value of y here. You already got the y ka value, so 10,000 rupees this, or 3 to the 6,000 rupees this. So you can get, this is one of the beautiful question. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching all the channel. Thank you.